Fencing. Speed, control, advancing, retreating, lunging, nervous, alive, cautious, extreme, sword.
Oh, pretty nice poem. Anybody have any ideas when he said that? First line is fencing. So you know what it's about. Everyone knows what fencing is, right? So, all right. Now, the next line, two words that describe the title. This is how Brian describes fencing. Speed, control. Anybody have any thoughts on how to describe fencing other than speed and control?
Active.
Active. All right, so write active down on your paper, Joe. Now, Brian, what you might do is if you're like that, you would take and you'd put parentheses here and put the word active. Somebody gave you an idea. Anybody else for Brian in terms of fencing? Two words that describe the title. Go ahead.
Adrenaline.
Adrenaline. All right. Very nice. So how would you put adrenaline on your paper? Why don't you just abbreviate it? Like AD. Did you remember that AD means adrenaline for you?
Yes.
Yeah, see, that's your note.
Because my brain is half the size of my dad's.
But it's growing, isn't it?
Yes.
All right. Anybody else for the second line of Brian's poem? All right, let's move to line 3. Brian, read your line 3. 3 words that express action about fencing.
Advancing, retreating, and lunging.
Advancing, retreating, and lunging. Now, one thing that I would say, here's something that you can do. I like those 3 words, but I'd like to see lunging in between advancing and retreating. So, in order to do that, Brian, you could just draw a line like this with an arrow and a question mark on it. Is it to say, maybe that's a possibility for me.